Hello, and today we presenting new dashboards in Ender Turing. This is how it look like, and this is a new dashboards. If you are already existing customers, all your previous charts will be automatically migrated to this new view. If you are a new customer, just use this new chart for all your analytics purposes. Let's go to how to create it. Let's start with this. So you open dashboards, you open custom dashboards with new shield, and you will be able to see list of charts that you created or create new. Let's start with create new chart open with already predefined data, as it's a template. We will add more templates here on the left in future releases, but this is just not to be empty. We predefine it with just two reasonable and unreasonable conversations in your case. But you can remove, add columns. At the top of the screen you can see chart itself grouped by day in this case, and at the bottom you can see table. Let's start with defining a table for you. For example, reasonable. Let's remove and start from very scratch. To add rows, you add it as usual, just using the same filter as you use in all conversations or in other places in Ender Turing. You select conversations. Let's find complaints. This is a demo environment, so there will not be a lot, but let's try to find. Duration more than 20 seconds, words more than 20 by agents, more than 10 by clients, and let's find tag complaint. At some days that's a demo, as I said, environment, so that's all that we have in demo, but that's enough to show the possibilities of the charts. You can group it by day, you can group it by week, by months, you can group it by agents if you need to understand how many complaints per agent, per process. So a lot of grouping by QA, by CRM statuses, but by first call resolution, by topic, etc., etc., etc. And if you need it, you can add as many rows as you need. Let's return to daily conversations. Let's save this chart. Is okay. Complaints daily. Okay. Let's give it a name. And create. You have fast filters on the top by dates, by your teams, and by types and directions. And you can copy this table to Excel. You can download this table. You can transpose this table. Okay, let's create one more. So, for example, we have reasonable conversations, and let's change this. We do not have unreasonable in this system, but very long conversations. And let's define this as let's basically copy. So what we have in edit mode, we can remove row, we can edit row, we can see a filter with which this row is defined, what the data is inside. So it's calls with less than 20 seconds, less than 20 words, and grouped by day. And as you can see, there's 0. But let's remove this unreasonable and create one more based on reasonable. So you have a lot of filters And to save your time, you do not need to input these filters once again and once again for each row. You can just create based on existing, and it will create copy, but we need very long. For example, not 20 seconds, but for example, let's see how many more than 10 minutes. As you can see, and let's change also a color. For example, this will be very bad, say red color, and reasonable is green. Let's choose a color. It's okay, save. And you have two columns. You can change also type of chart. You can see it as this type, bar chart, stacked chart, horizontal bar chart, or line chart. That's up to you. And it's very long. Once again, grouped by day, but you can change it week, team, agent. Let's see by agent. So definitely one agent generates more than other one, and Charles in this case of demo is brilliant. No very long conversations, and let's create it. You can also share this chart or download graphics. Thank you very much for your attention. See you.